Morning dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start our computer subject, and today we are going to continue lesson number 4, working of a computer. So see on page number 2525 of your computer textbook, and today we are going to take part 2 of this lesson. So today we are going to see about different devices. Okay, so here it is. DEVICES devices. Okay, so name of the devices and how they are helpful to us. A PART, part, or tool that does a particular job is called a device. DEVICE, device. A part of a computer or a tool that help us to do our work is called a device. Okay, a computer has the following devices. Name of the devices: number 1, input devices; number 2, processing device; number 3, output devices; number 4, storage devices. Okay, now which are the input, output, processing and storage device we will see in detail. So first of all we are doing about number 1, that is input device. Input devices help us to give inputs or data to a computer. Okay, input device help us to input, that to put instruction or any work to computer. We give any work to computer or a data to a computer are known as input device. Inputs can be in the form of symbols, letters, numbers, pictures or sound. Okay, so here are the few pictures. You can see it is also given on your page 25 of your computer textbook. First one, keyboard. With the help of keyboard, symbol, letter, number you can input. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Mouse, you can select, also you can input this with the help of mouse. Then light pen drive. Okay, you can add your work in the computer, you can take also. And scanner, okay, input work. Microphone, to add sound to your program, microphone is useful for that. CD, DVD, input your pictures and sounds. Okay, or you can hear your favorite movie and songs, music. Joystick, with the help of joystick you play games, so any changes while playing games you can do with the help of joystick. Okay, so these are the input devices. Now more about next, processing device. Working on inputs or data is called processing. Okay, when you input any data, okay, so on that process goes on and you get result. So process goes on. Which devices are there? CPU is the processing device of a computer. It has a processor that processes the input. Here are the input device that on process goes on. So processing devices are here. So only one device is there, that is CPU. This is the front part of the CPU. Okay, from here you can enter your CD, DVD. Okay, on for CPU switches here, and this is the back side. Okay, and that also inside part. Okay, so back side, inside part is this way. Processing device, how does it go on? One fan is there. Okay, so everything is here in detail you will get in the next lesson. Okay, so this is just to see, this is the back part, front part, and when this is the back part, how does it CPU back. Okay, this is inside part of the CPU, front and back side. Okay, so here is the picture of processing device, front, back and inside. See about output devices. When a computer completes the processing work, after input, process gone, when process also over, output work, we get the final result. This result is called the output. It can be in the form of symbols, letters, numbers, pictures or sound. The part of a computer which help us to give output are called output devices. Okay. You did input work, and on input work process also goes on with the help of processing device, that is CPU. Then after processing you get the result with the help of output device. Okay. So when you get the result is known as output device. See, this is the picture. When you get a result, suppose this is the picture on the monitor, this is the output. Okay, with the help of this also you can see your result, what you did input and what process goes and what you get as a result in output. Second is with the help of printer also you can take out your output result if you want that also. Okay, and second thing with the help of speaker also, when you in any CD or DVD in the CPU, okay, and it is running, then with if it is running you can hear the song or music with the help of speaker. So these are known as output device. Okay, so three output device: monitor, printer and speakers. So next is storage device. Okay, here one question is there, answer me. Write I for input, P for processing and O for output. Okay, so this is the input. Okay, that vegetable process, you cut vegetable and keep on for cooking. Okay, so process going on, and here you get your result, that you get the sabji what you cooked. Okay, so this is output, that is IPO. Now storage device. Sorry, one more question is there. Give two example from our daily life that describes the IPO cycle, that is input output cycle. So that you can say tea also. Okay, milk, and in milk you add tea powder. Okay, tea leaves also you can say, sugar, ginger, whatever you want. So that is the input, output and process goes on, so you get a ready tea. And one more here it is there for, you can give a juice also. Okay, now next is storage device. So storage device, a storage device is a device that stores data for later use. You did any work, okay, and you saved that work as an output device. Okay, so you saving that work is known as storage device. So you can store your work in different devices. Okay, so that also we will see. A hard disk is a storage device of a computer. It is inside the CPU. Okay, one already device is there, that is hard disk. So that is already in the CPU that store your work. Okay, so that is the device that store your work, and it is inside the CPU. Okay, it stores the information we put in. It stores the information you put in. And next is the device of the storage we are going to see. A computer. We can also store information outside a computer in a CD, DVD or a pen drive. Okay, you can store your work in CD, DVD or pen drive. So here are the pictures device, pen drive, and this also you can save in CD and DVD, and also hard disk also you can save. Okay, one hard disk is already in the CPU, and this is the external hard disk. In that also you can save your work and you can carry at another place also. So these are the common storage device, and few keywords are given in your textbook. First one, data mean information, device a part or tool that does a particular job, output final result, and processing working on input. So regarding this today's work we are going to write only hard words. Thank you students, have a nice day.